Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is May monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries. Aries. What is going on? Ten of Swords with Six of Cups. I think you are thinking about someone a lot, and this could be strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Six of Cups is here, and Ten of Swords. You still want rebirth in this connection. Maybe you are in separation with your person, maybe you are in no contact situation. Even though you are in relationship with this person, this is on and off connection, but you still want rebirth in this connection. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Nine of Wands, Four of Pentacles and Ten of Cups. You are guarded up. In recent past, you are guarded up. You are not expressing your feelings, but you are thinking about them a lot. You are holding back Four of Pentacles energy because you want Ten of Cups happiness, but it is not happening. It was not happened in past. That's why you are holding back. And you are guarded up. You are not available to anyone emotionally. Then present, Justice, Sun and the Magician. You are manifesting something big into your life, like happiness, something. For some, children's also involved in this connection. For some, you are manifesting this person again into your life. You are manifesting marriage, commitment, because Justice with Sun, marriage and happiness. You are in the manifesting energy, present. For some, someone is coming back for second chances also, Justice. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Then future, Four of Cups, King of Pentacles and Three of Wands. You're still waiting on them. Yes, if you are in separation. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. You are concentrating on your career also, finances. You are getting financial stability in near future. Yes, you are still missing them. You are still waiting on them. This is waiting period going between you and your person. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Libra, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Two of Pentacles under the deck. Maybe they're juggling right now. So let's see your person feelings. Aries. Their feelings. For some, the same cycles repeating between you and your person again and again. They are watching you. They are spying on you. Queen of Wands. They are planning to make action towards you. Yes, they're planning. And the world, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And strength, they're getting their strength to make a move towards you. Maybe they're scared for rejection for some, but they're planning to make a action. Yes, they will make action very soon. Now they are spying on you on social media, Page of Swords. They're watching you and they want to send some text message. So let's see their intentions. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces or Sagittarius, especially. Hangman with Ria. So they are stuck on you. They are thinking about you a lot. And Seven of Pentacles. Maybe they are waiting for the right time to approach you. Here the waiting period. There are a lot of things between you and your person, like lot of illusions, lot of misunderstandings. Maybe they are scared for rejection also. And Temperance. Your person is patiently waiting for the right time to approach you. Patience is the key in this relationship right now. And Temperance. They are working within themselves, and they want to restore the balance in this relationship. Yes, that's why they're patiently waiting, and they're spiritually awakening also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Aries. Waiting period. Waiting. Yes, you person really want to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles with Hierophant and Queen of Pentacles. They are very caring and sharing person. Now they want to share their life with you. And Hierophant, yes, you person thinking about the commitment. They really want to work on this relationship. In past, there is no collaboration between both of you. Again the Moon, strong Pisces, and Six of Cups, and the Tower. You're also undergoing some Tower moment. There are a lot of things, a lot of illusions between both of you, and Six of Cups, but you also thinking about them a lot. This is a strong soulmate connection, what I'm getting here, but you are also undergoing some Tower moment without this person. Maybe someone is manifesting the other person in this connection. It could be you or your person. Yeah, again, Wheel of Fortune, Divine Timing, and Page of Pentacles, communication. For some children's also involved in this connection. Maybe your person may be immature. Wheel of Fortune, everything is in Divine Timing. Wheel of Fortune is here. So, Divine Timing. Definitely they will make a move towards you, but it will take some time. So, let's see some messages for you from your person and through the channel. I feel so alone. Soulmates. Decision time. Player. New love is coming for some. And don't leave me behind. So the messages are, they feel so alone. For some, you both are soulmates. For some, it could be a decision time. And player, and new love is coming. For some, if your person is really a player, so it's the message for you, new love is coming for you, and don't leave me behind. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Aries. Be bold and make the first move. So if you want to make a move towards your person, for some, this is the message for you. Be bold and make the first move. And bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. So if you received communication from your person and talk with them love, bring love into the situation, especially when new moon in Aquarius. So these are the messages for you guys. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.